Do you want to know 4 tips to writing killer email subject lines? Well, if you do, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Arthur Early here, and if this is the first time you are watching this channel, welcome. And for those of you that tune in on a regular basis, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be talking about 4 tips to writing killer email subject lines. Now, a lot of us get bombarded with emails every single day, depending on how many email boxes you have, depending on how much things you subscribe to. All right, I get daily emails, at least 100 emails a day, guys. But before we get into the content today, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and smash that bell notification so you know when I'm going live on YouTube or dropping a new video. Anyway, guys, like I was saying, so what I'm going to do for you right now is I'm going to name off 5 subject lines, okay? And what I want you to do is comment down below which ones you would click on, okay? So the first one is, welcome to my newsletter. The second one is, congratulations. The third one is 5 steps to become your own boss in 90 days. The fifth one is easy eye issue number 13. And the fifth one is special offer, buy now. Now go ahead and comment down below which one you would pick. Now if you're here and you are in the make money online niche, okay, you probably said number 3, and I don't blame you. Why? Because it stands out from other subject lines, especially if you're in that niche. And this is exactly what you need to do for your subject lines, okay? So you need to be able to stand out. A lot of people, like I said before, get bombarded with emails, up to 100 emails a day. And do you think, honestly, anybody has time to read 100 emails a day? Of course not. They read the subject line that catches their eye. If it doesn't catch their eye, they delete it. So what happens? You spend all that time writing that email just for nobody to open it, okay? And a catchy email subject, okay, is going to increase your open rates. And depending on which autoresponder you use, some of these autoresponders look at your open rates, and if your open rates are not above a certain percentage, okay, they're subject to close your account down. So I want to try to help you guys out, help you with your email subjects, and we'll take it from there, guys. All right, so number 1, okay, number 1 is keep your subject line short. 50 to 60 characters. By doing this, it's going to make people read out your email and 1, 2, 3, quick look at it, boom. And you have to understand, guys, that a lot of people read emails on different devices. They read it on the iPad, they read it on the computer screen, they read it on the iPhones, on the laptops, on mobile phones. The amount of space available to show your subject line will vary on each device. To be safe, keep your subject line short and punchy and to the point. Alright, guys? Number 2 is use a proven template. Okay? I get an email, at least 3 to 4 emails a day from one opportunity, and it's the same email over and over again. I could almost predict what the email is going to say. Why? Because it's a proven template. You know, I can sit here and talk about great subject lines forever, okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. I'm going to tell you about this effective subject lines, and I'm going to show you and also what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a template maker down below in the description so you can go ahead and get that. All right, so things like how to lose 10 pounds, how to get 100 visitors to your website a day, how to stop how to stop your dog from peeing on the carpet. Things like this are proven formulas. How to shows a benefit. People are always looking out for a benefit, what's in it for themselves. Okay? So how to, right? So they're going to be looking at, okay, a benefit. Lose 10 pounds. That's their pain point. They want to lose weight. How to make money online. How to, some of these things you have to have a benefit and a pain point because people have both. All right. So let me show you an example. Like, let's say, how to get hundreds of likes on Facebook without spending a cent, right? So what happens is people are looking to get likes on Facebook. That's the benefit. Actually, that's the pain point. And then the benefit is without spending any money, right? That's benefiting them. So um, you want to be interactive um, on educating your potential email reader without even them opening the email yet. All right. So these are your what I like to do, guys, is I'll take maybe a half an hour out of my day and I'll just scroll through my emails, right? And I'll look for the ones that catch my attention. Why? Because if it catches my attention, it's going to catch somebody else's attention. All right. So if you're taking notes, you might make sure you want to write that down um, because it's going to work. All right. Number 3 is avoid salesy words such as free, special offer, excuse me, sale. All right. Things like that. Avoid aggressive sales tactics. Don't get you very far with email that I've learned. Okay. You want to you want to be able to nurture and build relationship with your readers, guys. It's all about the relationship. It's all about the storytelling. Um, you've ever got a call like 7:30 at night. You're sitting down with the family, you're eating dinner. You get a phone call. It's a telemarketer, right? You don't react to telemarketers, but if you know, let's say somebody you have a relationship calls, you got to answer the phone, right? Why? Because you have a relationship with them. Subject lines with sales taxes are the same exact thing. Plus, well, what I was talking about your email provider, all right? It will throw them right to the spam folder. Your email won't get delivered. All right. You want to be able to write subject lines that spark curiosity and provide real value. So when I go ahead and I'm going to email this to my list, I'm going to say something along the lines of how to write email subject lines without going to spam or without getting deleted or something along those lines, guys, because it's going to trigger people to open the email. Why? Because they're looking to do the same thing. They're going to, maybe they have the same points. Maybe their emails are going to spam folders and they're getting frustrated. They're taking all the time. They're writing these emails, and what happens? It goes right to the spam folder, and their subjects are not getting delivered. All right, so that is number 3. Number 4 is always test your subject lines. All right. Also, what I like to do is I like to go back 60 days and take the headlines that have the highest open rates and reuse them depending on your autoresponder, which autoresponder you use. You have the percentage of open rates based upon your list. Most email systems allow you to split test headlines. That means you can do a 50-50 split to see which subject line gets more clicks. Okay, then once you've had the results, you can test, you can get a winner, and then you could send that email out. Excuse me. Um, that way, over time, you can get better and better at writing emails, and in the end, that means more sales and more commissions for you guys. All right, so there you have it, guys. Real quick, 4 tips to write better subject lines in your email. All right, I'm hoping this helped. Now go out, test, and apply what you've learned today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.